Good morning, grade 2s. I hope you are all well today and ready to do some maths. Still missing you lot, still can't wait to get back to school, but rather let's stay home and stay safe. So I want you to keep on practicing counting in fours. I forgot to say that last week. So keep practicing your fours all the way to 100. And if you're really good at that, then start trying to count backwards in fours from 100 down to 4. Next week, we're going to start counting in threes. Today, if you can see what's on my table in front of me, we are going to do some money. We're going to look at the different types of money and do some calculations. Now, who can tell me what money do we use here in South Africa? Yes, that's right. We use rands and cents. Today, we're going to look mainly at our coins, and then next week, we'll look at our notes. So let's start with our coins. Here we have the 10-cent coin. The 10-cent coin is our smallest coin, and it has a picture of an arum lily on it. The next one is our 20-cent coin, and it has a picture of our protea on it. The next coin is a 50-cent coin, which has the strelitzia on it. Our 1 rand coin now has a springbok on it. Our 2 rand coin has a kudu on it, and our 5 rand coin has a wildebeest on it. Right, so here I've made some of my own coins. They're nothing fancy. As long as you've made a 10 cents, some 10 cents, some 20 cents, some 50 cents, some 1 rand, some 2 rand, and some 5 rand coins, you're going to need those to work with. Now, who can tell me how many cents are in 1 rand? That's right. There are 100 cents in 1 rand. So now what we're going to do is you're going to try and make some different amounts with your coins. We're going to start with 70 cents. I'm going to make 70 cents for you in 3 different ways. So the first way is with a 50 cents and a 20 cents. Can you think of another way I can make 70 cents? This time I'm going to keep my 50 cents and I'm going to use 2 10 cents. So 50, 60, 70 cents. This time I'm going to take my 50 cents away and I'm going to make 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 20 is 60, plus 10 is 70. So there's 3 different ways that we made 70 cents. You're now going to play with your coins and try and make different amounts up to 1 rand, remembering that there are 100 cents in 1 rand. Here is a coin number line to help you. Here it shows you one way to make up the different amounts of money. Here we've got the 40 cents, which I could have made with my 2 20 cents. Or I can take the 120 cents away and add 2 10 cents, and I've got 20, 30, 40 cents. So try and make these amounts using different coins to make the amount at the top. You can't do the 10 cents because we don't have 5-cent pieces anymore, really. So you'll start with the 20 and see how many different ways you can make 20 cents all the way up to 1 rand. For the last part of the lesson, we're going to have a little bit of fun. You might need to do a little bit more work to make up your shop, but we're going to play shop. Now, I've got the minis from Checkers still that I'm going to use for my shop. If you don't have, maybe you've got other things at home, maybe you can use the boxes of things you've got at home, or you can draw pictures of the things you like to buy. Or if you've still got catalogs lying around at home or adverts, you can use those to cut out the pictures. But for me today, I'm going to set up my shop using my minis, and I haven't priced everything. I've just put these are going to be 10 cents, these are going to be 20, 50, 1 rand, 2 rand, and 5 rand. So if I go to the shop and I buy yogurt for 1 rand, and Milo for 20 cents, and a liter of milk. So we've got 1 rand, plus 20 cents is 1 Rand 20, and 50 cents, then I've got to make it 1 Rand 70. So here is my 1 Rand 50 70 to pay for. If I didn't have 1 Rand 50 and I only had a 2 Rand coin, then my cashier would have had to give me some change. What change would you have to give if it was 1 Rand 70 and I gave you 2 Rand? Let's have a look. 1 Rand 70, that makes it 1 Rand 80, 1 Rand 90, 2 Rand. The 30 cents would have been my change. Now, I wish these were the prices we paid in the shop, but they're not, but that's okay because it works for what we are doing. You can then ask people to come and buy from your shop and you can give change, or you can be the one buying and somebody else gives you change. So have fun playing shop this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week where we will work more with rands and cents. Bye!